Now we have already discussed about list. Now I will work more on list, and also I would like to work on images and page, means a body part. So we have not worked on that. We have just used tags how we can use, but we will also see some of the uh, attributes into that. See, we have two lists here. One is the first one what we have used UL, that is called as the unordered list, which will be displayed in the bulleted format, whereas we have used one more called as the OL, which is in ordered list. Correct. Next, one more tag we have to work on, or list we have to work on, that is DL. That is a description list, what we call. Okay, so description list in this one. Here I will just copy this and paste to make a size of the video smaller. Okay, when something is wrong, I will just type that. Just type it. So just use DT. DL. Just a minute. Okay, just type that DL and DT. So what it gives, I will just show you. So I will just see what we are getting one after another. So I will just simply use DL and tab. DL and tab, it will give you a closing tab also. Then I will use DT, just like a table it is. I will use DT tab. Okay, use COFEE, coffee. There's a title. For that I will use DD. DD tag, opening and closing, you can get it here. So just remove this, write it here, coffee, make C capital. Okay, it's hot drink. Just make it a colon here. Okay, now I will save the file and we will check it what happens. We'll refresh it here. See, coffee is a hot drink. Same way I will go for Coke. So there is one problem here. Just check. Yeah, here you can see one extra closing has come because of this extra used. So I will just save it, and how to correct this I will show you. Just remove it, Control say S for saving, then you refresh. This goes here. Okay, now one more I will use. Now I will use Coke and just copy paste. So I will just demonstrate it how to do it using menus. Just select this, go to edit, copy, same way what you are doing in Microsoft Word, then go to edit and paste. I am using these shortcuts, Control C, Control V, so make it faster. Okay, so just here Coke I will use now, or Pepsi. It's cold drink. Okay, I'll use Control S, save, and then I will refresh. You see here, this is called as a data list. So this way you can list the things. Okay, now we will try some tags on this or attributes on this. Now what I want to do is I am getting a rounded bullet. I want a square one, so I can use a type here, type as an attribute. So I'm not sure whether it works or not. We type only. Type equal to, I will just try this. Type equal to square. Just try, works or not. Yes, it's working. You see now we are getting square. If you put it for all, that is if I put it for list tag, it will be for only one item. Same way if I type it for disk is also there by default, it will be circle. I will make it as a disk. I'm not sure DISK or DISC. I will try first DISC, then I will just save it and refresh it. Okay, it's not working. I will try with the disk DISK. Save, refresh. No, not working. Not working. Still I'm trying. No, it's not working. Disk is not working. So there are different types of attributes are there. In the future we will discuss them. Now I have given it only for list. In case you want it for all the attributes at a time, you can use